Welcome to my channel. Here I am explaining how we can convert a particular trigger into a record trigger flow. Because as per the Salesforce new version, here we don't require to write a trigger in a simple program. When we have a complex logic, then we create a trigger. Instead, we are using a flow. Now, I have a trigger which is a create a trigger on account when account is inserted with rating value code, then create a default contact related to that account. Simply means that when account is created, now this is a DML operation which is the after insert when account is created. Now we have a condition which is a when account is created with rating value code, then create a default contact. Now simply I write a trigger name on account after insert, writing a condition, trigger is after and trigger is insert, then called handler class here. Now open this. Now simply I am writing here normally a contact list, and this is my for loop which uses that particular list record which are getting from a trigger dot new context variable, and this data firstly I'll check here condition when ACC rating is equals to cold, then create a contact. Now this contact will be created when record is inserted. Now how we can do this thing through a flow? Okay, now learning this step by step. Now simply searching flow from the home and click on a new flow. This is a very simple thing. uh, Here we need to understand because Salesforce now releases a new and new version, so please update it with the Salesforce. Okay, now here I am selecting this record trigger. Launches when a record is created, updated or deleted. This is like a trigger. Simply means that record trigger is a trigger which running on a particular DML operation. Record is created, updated or deleted. Okay. Now click on this, create. Now simply you can see the canvas of a flow. Now it is called a canvas. Here we can making a particular block of a data logical part actions through this. Now this is a canvas. Now first, now we are learning from a comparison between the flow and trigger. Firstly, and trigger, and we are getting a account, and here same we are click on account. Simply understand, search account. Okay, when record is created, suppose in this condition I am going to be create when record is created, because I am writing here insert. Simply record is created, not updated. Okay, simply, and we are option record is updated, created or updated, and is deleted. Okay, now set entry condition. Okay, now this condition is compared with that, with this condition, with this handler class. Now this is the condition when record is created if ACC rating cold. Now here we do this by this when condition are met. Here I am writing here when condition, we can write here two or more condition when condition and or logic is met. Okay, now I am all condition are met. Which condition? When rating, simply searching here field name rating. We have option here is contains is not equals, then pick list value code. Now understand what is the precondition. My precondition is when ACC rating is equals to 4. Now you can understand first thing is selected an object, and second thing is outer condition. Outer condition you can write in a configure start flow. Okay, now this is the two things because trigger are two type, before delete and after delete. Before delete is the fast field updates, and after it is the action and related record. Now simply here here write also write there before the record is saved to a database and after the record is saved to a database. Now as per the comparison, this is the after insert, and click on this after insert. Okay, done. Simple. Now as per my trigger, here I am not getting the record, only writing. Okay, and here now here We can create a record, update a record, get record, and delete record. But as compared to my trigger, now in this trigger, I am not getting any record. Okay, I am creating record. You can see here I am getting, because this is my trigger list. Here I am not getting the record. This is not a getting record. This is the data when trigger event is occur. Okay. Now I am not getting any record. Okay, logical part is done here, condition. Now I want this only create record. Simply create default contact, simple. Right here API name to learn. Okay, how many records to create? One, as per the condition. And use all values from a record. Now I am creating a particular record, so as we are writing here contact. Now by searching here contact, simply now creating a particular field. Here I am create contact account, because we are going to be related record. Here I am writing condition here, create a default contact related to that account. Okay. Now I'm searching account. This is a contact field and value. Now understand this. This is our trigger.new. We can say that this is a global variable. This can get the data when DML operation occur. This is a trigger variable. It is a context variable. We can say that. Now simply you can understand. Don't confusion with that. This is a global variable that contains the data when particular trigger event is occur. Now simple meaning. Don't write that is a global variable hash record, dollar record is something big data. No, simply it is a data when DML exception occur. Okay, this is a context variable in a trigger. Now here, suppose in this I am writing a from this list acc dot id. Now this acc, now this acc is dollar record, acc dot id. Okay, getting this and right here id. Now this is my account id. Okay, add field, and for last name I am writing here account number, simply acc. We can use the simple that acc dot account number. And this now easily understand. Imagine you are comparing through a trigger, this flow trigger, and you can easily understand all the topic. Without trigger you cannot understand. If you are only firstly learning the flow but don't understand trigger, you cannot understand how flow work. Record trigger, especially record trigger. Firstly you understand the core concept of a trigger and create a trigger manually, then you compare this trigger in this flow. You can easily understand without any doubt. If you have any doubt you can comment on the description. I will get you soon. Okay, simply done, and make a connection with that. Okay, and save this right here. Flow to create default contact. Now this is creation. Now activate this. Firstly deactivate my trigger. Sorry, apex trigger. Click on my apex trigger. Firstly I'm deactivated particular I have created that trigger. Firstly deactivate that trigger and this add it. Now here I am deactivate my trigger. Now here we can see that how flow work, and refresh here. Now it's very simple to understand this. Just wait for a 10 second. Account is open. create a new account. Account name is test flow, test flow, and account number here, write any account number. Rating is cold, according to condition, and save it here. And now this flow, my flow working. Check. Now you can see that my flow is working. When account is created with the rating value is cold, then create a default account contact sorry, which is related to the particular account. Now this account is created and see that account name is test flow and last name here is 786 account number. Okay, now you are understanding how flow works. As we are here, I am explaining this record trigger as compared to normal trigger, so you can easily understand how this trigger and and flow trigger work. Okay, now simply this is a normal basic flow. We have a multiple option action flow assignment logical part and also action. Through action we can create a email alert, post to charter and simple many more things. Okay, now I hope you will understand this flow. If you have any doubt in this flow, you can comment on the description box and please subscribe my channel to view sorry you to watch this kind of a videos. And if you want any topic to learn and you have any doubt, you can comment out and I make this video in a very soon. Okay, thank you, please subscribe my channel and also like.